In my last video, I showed you 5 different combinations with a white shirt and a black pair of trousers. In this video, I'm going to show you another such combination and 5 ways to wear it. Hi, this is Swapnil and you're watching The Classic Dandy. Gentlemen, a light blue shirt and a dark grey pair of trousers are very common and is probably found in every man's wardrobe. Well, compared to a white shirt and a black pair of trousers, light blue shirt and dark grey pair of trousers rates high on versatility and can be dressed up or down. When we talk about light blue shirt and a dark grey pair of pants, we relate it to office or a business wear. But just because it is not a party and you're not going out and it is just a simple meeting or a business wear or an office wear which you wear day in and day out, it doesn't have to be monotonous or boring for that matter. As I mentioned, light blue shirt and a dark grey pair of pants are versatile. Well, gentlemen, it can be easily dressed up or down. You can pair it with n number of blazers or your waistcoats, or if you're looking to make things more interesting, you can play on with accessories as well, and not to forget shoes. To prepare this base outfit, you need a really nicely tailored light blue or an ice blue shirt and some well-tailored pair of trousers. Now, when I talk about dark grey, I'm not talking about something like a charcoal grey or something that is close to black or something that is very light. I'm talking about somewhere in midway, wherein if you're wearing the trousers, the person at a distance can actually figure out that you are wearing grey and not any other color. And trust me, gentlemen, this particular combination can take you distance. For an example, if you're wearing just an ice blue shirt and a dark pair of trousers to work, and in the evening you have plans to go out, well, you can just throw on a blazer or a waistcoat or swap your shoes for that matter and you'll be great to go. So gentlemen, let's go ahead and check out these 5 outfits that I have curated for you. These are a no-brainer, very easy to combine, and you do not have to spend a bomb on them. Before we go ahead, let me tell you that all the looks that you see on the video are being posted on Instagram as well. Check out my Instagram handle. If you like the content, well, it's needless to say, do follow. Gentlemen, our first outfit is with this burnt orange blazer. This burnt orange blazer has herringbone pattern, and as you can see, it is paired with the same light blue shirt and dark grey pair of pants. Now, this particular shirt comes with very light window pane checks, which gives it a texture and visual appeal and makes it even more interesting to combine and to upgrade your rather simple outfit. If you really want to turn heads, you can choose a bolder color like this, or you can always go for your navies, your blacks, and even your browns with this. To finish off the outfit, I'm wearing these beautiful penny loafers by Clarks. Gentlemen, for my second outfit, I have just swapped the blazer with this very muted and simple mauve color overshirt. Now, this particular overshirt is especially for people who are not really into the game of upgrading their outfit. They want to keep things muted and classy. Well, this is the way to go. As you can see, this particular light mauve color blends in well with the blue and the grey. As you can see, my trousers are slim fit. They are not something that is baggy. They have pleats. So make sure if you're going for classic look, you must keep the fit in mind. Again, finishing off my look with these penny loafers by Clarks. Gentlemen, for my third outfit, I have gone a little Indian this time. Here I'm wearing this beautifully tailored burgundy color Nehru jacket. Now, this particular Nehru jacket is great for an outfit like this, wherein you want to show a bit of personality, a bit of pop of color, but you do not want to go overboard. As you can see, the burgundy of the Nehru jacket goes really well against the backdrop of blue shirt and grey pair of pants. Now, you need to make sure that your Nehru jacket is cut close to the body, it has higher armholes and a perfect fit basically. And if you want to check more on this, you can check the video right here. I have made several videos on Band Gala and Nehru jacket. You can watch them and take an inspiration. And gentlemen, make sure to keep your shoes smart. Gentlemen, for this outfit, I'm going with a waistcoat. If you're someone who doesn't want to wear a blazer every day but still want to look presentable and look dressed up, well, waistcoat is a very simple and easy way to upgrade your outfit. Here I'm wearing this beautiful navy blue color waistcoat which has window pane checks as the shirt as well. Now as you can see, the grey trousers balances off the blue of this outfit and harmonizes the whole outfit with the shirt and the trousers. And for a change, I'm wearing this particular outfit with my dark brown Chelsea boots. If you wish, you can go for your loafers as well, but do not try to dress it down further. Gentlemen, it's fine if you do not wish to wear a blazer, a waistcoat, or any other jacket for that matter. You can definitely upgrade your outfit with some smart accessories. For an example, here I have for you this beautiful checks bow tie. Now this particular bow tie is great for preppy outfits, but even if you're wearing a blazer, I do not think that you shouldn't give this bow tie a chance. Now this particular bow tie is in checks which has elements of blue and brown which picks up the element of my shirt as well. Same grey slim trousers. You need to make sure that if you're going to sharpen this look up, you need to make sure that your trousers are smart. And to finish off this look, I am wearing these really smart sneakers. These sneakers are in suede and are in camel color. If you wish, you can go for black or even darker browns, but make sure that you keep the sneakers minimal, nothing flashy and nothing too big or chunky. Gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did in making it. Drop me comments on what you feel about this video and the channel, and if there is any other color combinations that you would want me to make a video on. If you're someone who's new to this channel, click on the I button to check out my previous videos and playlist. If you like the content, well, do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Until next time, thanks for watching.